Easy Tech channel. Hi friends, now we are seeing Easy Tech channel. In this video I am going to unbox this automatic dispenser machine, water dispenser. You can see. Now we have to unbox this, friends. This is very useful for home purpose, friends. Offices also you can use this. You can see, friends, this is the machine. You have to keep like this. You can see this was the machine. This was the silicone tube. We have to keep in this pin and a user manual and a Type-C port to charge this battery inside, and stainless steel tube, friends. You can see. So we don't need this. You can see. First, you have to boil this, friends. Boil this silicone tube. You can see this. I boiled. You can see, and you can see here some hole is there. You can see like that. We have to keep like this. In the box, you can see, friends, all features are mentioned on the box, friends. So you can see water capacity is 18.9 liters, because this tube, for this tube 18.9 liters it will take, friends. You can see this tube go inside for the 18.9 liters, 1.5 liters to 18.9 liters. And if you want to buy this machine, I will give the link in description. You can check it out. And we have to test this, friends. Now take this stainless steel tube and fit in like this. You can see like this. And the charging port, friends. You can see here. You can take a power bank or charger, friends, like that, and you can charge here. They had given us the Type-C port. Keep like, you can see red light is glowing, and in this battery it has some cutoff features, friends. When it fully charges, the battery will automatically cut off. It won't take the charging. If it fully charges, the full charge time is 4 hours. You can see, and we can charge with this charger also, like that. You can keep and plug in this on the switch board, and you can charge this battery. Now we don't need, and let's test this. Remove the cap and put this silicone tube in the tin and keep like this. It will fit, friends. And take a bottle or anything. And here you can see button. You can see, friends, button. Press this button one time, the water will flow. If you press this button one time, the water will off, like that. You can see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You can see, friends, the water was coming. You can see the blue light is glowing, friends. You can see the water also coming from the stainless tube. If you use this machine, the water won't be waste. You can see like that. And if you press once, the water will off. You can see like that, friends. You can see I fill the bottle, water bottle. Like that we can make, friends. It is very useful for home purpose and offices. You can use this. You can put that. Everyone won't use the filters, friends, because everyone can't buy filters. That's why everyone uses the water tins. This is very useful for water tin purpose, friends. You can see this was there. If you press like this, water will come. You can see water. If you press like this, the water will off. Like this, you can see. This was the machine, friends. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please share this video, friends, and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment. Bye, friends.
That little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.